Last but not least, the 1957 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible, Venetian Red over red. Yes. This thing, high dollar restoration. Oh, man. AACA Senior First, correct 283, 270 horse V8. This car is striking. Muncie M20 manual, 370 posi axle. It's nearly flawless.
I think we had this one on display at the Philly Auto Show, and it is.
Oh, we did.
It got a lot of eyes.
A lot of eyes. And it was on that red carpet, which you would think would be not good, but it was actually good.
Yeah, a little bit of contrast there.
It made it a little contrast.